Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word skipper. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The skipper of the boat expertly navigated through the rough waters. A skipper refers to the captain or leader of a boat or ship, responsible for navigating and directing the crew during voyages or journeys on the water. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.